Student, in the last lecture, we all have discussed about basics of accounting. In that, we all have learned that how much accounting is very important for us. As this particular unit, we all are discussing about the marketing and business. Okay, so it is very important. Although we are science student, it is very important for us to know the accounts and costing. So we had already dealt with the accounts part. Now we will be discussing about the costing. So what is costing? Costing is nothing but the estimated budget. In our general term, we will say it is an estimated budget required for startup of a thing. It could be a business or anything. So it is called as the costing. So when we talk about costing in related to the business, it's means it is of various type. We can divide the costing by nature, by its function. So many type of classification you will find. It essentially means the grouping of costs according to their similar character. So when we talk about the basic types, so fixed cost and the variable cost. First, we'll discuss about the variable cost. So variable cost are the company's cost, or you can say any business cost. Not necessarily it could be the company only. It could be any your institution, trust, anything. So business variable cost are business costs that are associated with number of good or services which that business is producing. Then company's variable costs will increase and decrease with production volume. Say example, what I am going to prepare in that particular company. So if I am producing the huge amount of product, definitely it is going to cost more and more money. Say example I have added in this particular slide only. So when our production volume means the number of the goods will increase, definitely the cost will increase. If volume is down, so that means that will decrease the variable cost also. Example, I have one leather company. Okay, leather bag material I prepared, and for preparation of a single bag I spent 100 rupees. So if I am preparing 100 bags, definitely it will be costing me 1000, because the 100 rupees is what? 100 rupees is my material and all means cost. It is inclusive of labor and everything. So example of variable cost may include the labor. Okay, it may include the commission. I'm selling it on commission. Of course, it includes the packaging also, because like without packaging, I cannot sell my product. It includes the raw material for the production. Then fixed cost. Unlike variable cost, this fixed cost does not change as per the volume. Fixed cost remains same regardless of the whether good or services are produced or not. Even if I'm not producing anything, I have to pay this fixed cost. So fixed cost cannot be avoided. Fixed costs will include the lease and the rent payment. Suppose I have taken one shop on, okay, whether I am selling anything or not, I have to pay rent. Whatever utilities are there, I have to pay the insurance. I have to give money to my workers, right? Their salaries are to be paid. Whatever amount I have invested in my company net worth, if I have taken on the that amount on loan, so definitely I have to pay the interest. So all this amount is called as the I'm sorry, all this amount is called as the fixed cost. Next thing, topic, and this is the last topic of this particular unit, that is the feasibility report. So what is feasibility report? Feasibility report is a document that assess potential solution to the business problem or opportunity, and it determines which of these are viable for the further analysis. See, last lecture we all have discussed about the balance sheet. do not get confused with the balance sheet and the feasibility report. Feasibility report is means it is giving the solution also. Whatever business problems are there, whatever business opportunities means here in balance sheet we are showing the clear picture. Whatever is earning, expenses, then loss, each and everything. What is the actual picture of the company we are showing into the balance sheet? But feasibility report is something, it is a research based type. Understood, student? So here we are adding up the solution for the business. First we prepare the balance sheet and we find out whether the business is a loss or it is at profit. If it is loss, whatever problems or opportunities are there, then viable, whatever further analysis can be done, these all entries are done into the feasibility report. Now, what could be the purpose of this feasibility report? The purpose of feasibility report is to present the project parameters and define the potential solution to define problem, needs, as well as the opportunity. So for making this particular feasibility report, we need to having the brainstorm a variety of potential solution. The project team expands on each of these potential solution, providing sufficient detail, including very high level costing information to permit the project leader to recommend and approving authority of all viable potential solution that should be further analyzed into the next phase. That means the business case. Whatever things, suppose a company you might have seen if they are having a loss or maybe opposite case having a good profit. So definitely suppose I have started one shop, a very good demand shop. Okay, so this shop is having no more potential for the customers. Suppose in my shop only, say example, 100 customers are means having a daily visit, but problem is that my shop is not very big. Okay, so the customers are standing outside the door. So what solution I can find out? I can purchase the next shop, right? Exactly attach. I can increase the area. So these are the solution. I can increase the area of my shop so I can accommodate more and more customer, and vice versa. If I am having a lot of rent to pay and I don't have that many customer, right? So what can I do? I can think of the small shop where I have to pay the small number, matlab small amount of rent, as well as I don't require. I have 7 workers in my shop. I don't require that many. So I can reduce the number. So this way, after brainstorming, we get the solution. What can I do for my business? We can design the projects. So this project constraints and limitation of expenditure are among the various factors that determine the viability. So how can I increase my business? What can I do for my business to increase? So feasibility report is a report which is giving the potential solution to the business problem or opportunity, and not only this, it determines which of this viable for the further analysis. We are adding up all those points and we are trying, first of all, we plan. Then after planning, we give the implementation, and after implementing, we give instruction to all the employees. Then at the end, the last phase is the execution phase. So this is all about the accounting and commerce part of our unit. So here we end with fish marketing unit. If you all have any doubt, definitely you all can ask